Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a new 2023 Scout 175 Sport Dorado. This boat is available. It has the crystal blue hull color, bimini top, rear seats with backrest, ski tow, swim ladder and swim platform on the port side, powered by a 90 horsepower 4-stroke from Yamaha. Got trim tabs on the boat. Up at the dash, Fusion Bluetooth stereo head unit, LED indicators for the trim tabs, digital gauges for the Yamaha tachometer, chase lounges with backrests up front, nice comfortable bow cushion with storage beneath, bow rail, anchor locker forward. If you have any questions about this boat or any of our others, give us a call at 843-747-1889, and always check us out online at marinemax.com. Thanks for watching.